world around me is gone asleep. Oh, in this empty room, the silence is killing me. I no longer want to talk about it. Oh, in your eyes I find new life for us both. A new house with our kids in there, the warm fireplace we get warm in the winter cold. On the bus stop outside front door, you never got wet, you stayed indoors. When it rained outside, you jumped in with the rest of them. When we touch, I feel your love from you to me. I feel your soul every night in our bedroom. Every move you made, I remember it all. Like no tomorrow, I need you with me. I can't go on with you near me. Oh, no, no, you're the light in my sight. You're the last thing I see at night. Oh, you're the air that I breathe. You're the sea that I swim. No, I love you like nobody else I ever loved before. Oh, don't wanna be without you anymore. I love you so. When I know you're in bed, hard asleep for me, you wake up in the morning with a smile on your face for me. Oh, every morning without you here with me feels so cold. Don't want it no more. Oh, and in my dreams you're here with me. We go back like before, and no more of dark nights. Oh, I still got a good chance with I will never give up my fight for you.